morning, Bulldog students and families. Today is Tuesday, April 6th. Please stand for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
For the month of April, our district CARE's focus is responsible. We are looking for students that show they are responsible in all areas of life. Responsible students are those students that are trustworthy. They are students that are dependable. They are students that complete all of their assignments. Let's show our district that all of our Bulldogs are responsible. Teachers will nominate a student at the end of the month. This Wednesday, we will have a special assembly for all students at 10 o'clock. Here is a short video with more details.
Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to find your mindset before the assembly starts and come back and tell the kids what you learned. This is the world's tallest mountain indeed. Climb to the top and you'll find what you need.
Great! I'm stuck on Mount Everest with a Yeti named Yet, and I can't get to the top to find my mindset. Not yet!
I can do more than I thought I could as long as I take the next step.
I can't do this yet.
Mindset mission is accomplished. Everybody give Ned a big hand.
Voting begins this week for the myOn March Madness Reading Challenge. Students, it is now time to vote for your favorite books that you read from the myOn Challenge list. Remember, the top reader and top class will earn a special prize. Palla Bulldogs did a great job by winning the first challenge. Let's keep our title and win the challenge again. Be sure to vote for your favorite books today. Just a reminder to all students and families, if you are sick or unable to come to school or attend a Zoom session, it is very important that you contact the front office to clear your absence. All absences must be reported and cleared with our office within 72 hours. And now for our weekly news segment, Palla Shoutouts. Remember, each week, teachers will be sending a specific shout out to students that are showing their pause for a specific expectation. Last week, our focus was achieving your goals by completing all of your minutes on apps such as Lexia or Freckle. Here are the students from each class that earned an award, our Bulldog Shoutouts. The focus? Achieve your goals by completing all required minutes on programs such as Lexia, Freckle, and other programs. Shoutouts for pre-K. Great job with completing your work. TK shoutouts. Kindergarten shoutouts. First grade shoutouts for app completion. Second grade shoutouts. Great job. Third grade met Lexia and Freckle goal. Great job. Fourth grade shoutouts for Lexia and Freckle. And finally, our fifth grade shoutouts. Great job meeting your Lexia and Freckle goals. Keep it up. This week, our Bulldog Shoutouts will focus on specific expectations by the grade level. Ask your teacher about your focus so you can be acknowledged next week. Remember that you can pick up your special shout-out prize in the front office any day of the week between 7:30 to 4 o'clock. We will find out when we return who our outstanding students are. Stay tuned. Finally, please be sure to take a look at our Palla website for some great learning resources. Click subscribe below and follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Bye for now, and remember, stay safe and have a Palla positive day.